Welcome to the team. I'm here to tell you about the qualification for the export sales support position. The export sales support position role is responsible for the main link between our sales team and international customer. Your primary goal is to ensure the entire export sales process runs smoothly, from processing order and preparing legal documents to ensure timely shipping, and you will be in constant contact with several teams, such as a sales manager for customer and pricing detail, and logistics or shipping to coordinate and track delivery, and free accounting for invoice and payment record, and for HR for human resource requirement. The success in this role require one, attention to detail for handling or export documentation. Two, strong organization skill to manage multiple order requirements. And three, excellent communication skill for daily interaction with various parties. Additionally, a common challenge is shipment delay due to customer or author issue. The solution is to proactively communicate with our customer immediately and offer clear solution, like a new timeline, stay calm, and provide clear update to resolve the situation.